To create a GIF animation from a video in the Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app. Open the video you want to use for your GIF. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select create GIF. Now drag the slider to trim the video to the desired length. If needed, you can adjust the speed to slow down or speed up the animation. To do so, tap the speed icon until it shows the desired speed you like to use to apply to your GIF. As the example, we will set it to 2 times. Here you can also change the loop style. To do so, tap the loop style icon until it shows the desired loop style you like to apply to your GIF. As the example, we will set it to back and forth. Next, tap Save to save your GIF to the GIFs album on your Gallery app. To see the result, go to the GIFs album. From here, you can share your GIF to others via messaging app, email, or social media. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.